Hello students, now I will teach how to find domain and range of expression which has irrational in the denominator. The given function is f of x equal to 1 by root of x minus 5. We have the concept for this. If the function is like this, the condition is f of x is strictly greater than 0. F of x is strictly greater than 0. If you apply this condition, f of x equal to 1 by square root of x minus 5. As for this condition, f of x strictly greater than 0, here x minus 5 strictly greater than 0, x greater than 5. Therefore, domain equal to 5 greater than 5 means open interval 5 to infinity. Open interval 5 to infinity. This is domain of f. To find the domain, here the heading is, hereafter we can use df, domain of f. To find a range of f. To find the range of f. So what is the given condition? This is 1. Using 1, x greater than 5, x minus 5 greater than 0, positive, and its reciprocal, is also positive. Square root is also positive. X minus 5 greater than 0 and its square root is also greater than 0. Its reciprocal is also greater than 0. 1 by square root of x minus 5 greater than 0. That 1 by square root of x minus 5 is nothing but f of x. Therefore, the value of f of x greater than 0. Therefore, what is the range of f? The range of f is also a real number which is greater than 0 and up to infinity. It's a very important question, how to find the domain and range of the function like this, y equal to 1 by square root of f of x. This formula is very important. This formula y equal to 1 by square root of f of x, the condition is f of x strictly greater than 0. You can apply this concept for the function of this type. Okay. Now you know the concept of 1 by square root of f of x type problems. Thank you. Hello students, next sum, find the domain and range of the function f of x equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2. Find the domain and range. Solution, given function is f of x equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2. To find domain of f, to find the domain of f, okay, to find the domain of f, here the denominator cannot be 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So 2 is not allowed in the denominator. When x equal to 2, f of x becomes infinity, and hence what is the domain? So not equal to 0, x not equal to 2. Therefore, domain of f equal to r minus 2. R minus 2. Here we have the condition formula. See, every function, every problem you have some standard working rule. Y equal to 1 by f of x. The condition is f of x not equal to 0. This is a condition for this type of problem. Last problem, y equal to 1 by square root of f of x. Now here, so as for the condition f of x not equal to 0, x minus 2 not equal to 0, x not equal to 2, and all real numbers other than 2, that we can write as r minus singleton set 2. Next, to find range of f, range y equal to x square minus 4 by x minus 2. very important to find the range. If possible, you can simplify the function before going to find the range. But here we can simplify this function. How to simplify? Factorize the numerator. Y equal to x minus 2 into x plus 2 by x minus 2 gets cancelled. So y equal to x plus 2. Now very important stage. How to find the range? Very simple logic. So what is the value omitted here? The value omitted here is 2. Other than 2, all other values are input values. That is the domain. Okay. If input is 2, what is the output? But even though input is 2 is not there, find the value which is not there. See, the corresponding value of 2 will not be there in the output. If input equal to 2, when x equal to 2, so what is y? Y equal to 4. Okay. But when x not equal to 2, y not equal to 4. Okay. When x not equal to 2, y not equal to 4. Then what is the range of f? Range of f is r minus, that is when x equal to 2, y equal to 4. But x not equal to 2 and hence y not equal to 4. Therefore, r minus singleton set 4. So in this problem, you have one important working rule. Simplify the function if possible before going to find the range. So very important type of problem for your board exam, and this is one of the expected question for your school exam as well as JEE question. So, but the last part is very important. How to select this value? Very simple. So whatever the input is not there, the corresponding output also will not be there. When x not equal to 2, y not equal to 4, and hence the range equal to r minus 4. So you can easily solve problem like x square minus a square by x minus a. Okay, thank you. Hello students, this problem is an example for step function, and this is one of the very important sum for your very large answer type, that is section C, section D question. Now function is defined by f of x equal to 1 minus x when x less than 0, 1 when x equal to 0, and x plus 1 when x is greater than 0. Draw the graph, also find the domain and range. Draw the graph and also find the domain and range. Now, very simple working rule for this. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. But before that, we will form a table. This is the value of x and y. Now take either odd number of values, 5 values or 7 values or 3 values. But here we will take 7 values because we have 3 steps. Okay. First take from negative. Here x less than 0. Take x equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now substitute x equal to minus 3. This is a negative number less than 0, it belongs to this interval, and the corresponding function is 1 minus x. So what is the value? When x equal to 1 minus x, when x equal to minus 3, what is the value? This value is 4. Substitute another negative value here. Another negative value is when x equal to minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2, plus 2 plus 1 is 3. And when x equal to minus 1, substitute here. When x equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1, plus 1, 2. Over. All the negative part over. This step over. Now when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. That is fixed. Now positive value. For positive value, take this third step. When x is greater than 0 means all positive real number. When x equal to 1, substitute here x plus 1. When x equal to 1, what is the value? Substitute x equal to 1 here, 2. X equal to 2, substitute here, 2 plus 1, 3, and this is 4. Plot all the points in the graph. X equal to minus 3, y equal to 4. X equal to minus 3, y equal to 4. This point. x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 2, and x equal to 0, y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, and this is 4. This is a graph. Based on the values in the table, graph is drawn. Now, how to find domain and range? This is very important part. Domain. If graph is given, how to find the domain? Or from the question itself, we can find the domain. So, domain is nothing but input. So, what is the input value from the question? This is input value. Less than 0, all negative number, 0 and positive number. If you combine all the three cases, negative numbers, positive numbers and 0, that is nothing but the whole real numbers, that is R. That is R, input value. And what is the output value? Or one more concept for domain. If graph is given, known. If here the graph is known, the domain is nothing but the horizontal length of a curve. So, what is the horizontal length of a curve? Horizontal length, so right from minus infinity to plus infinity it is there, and hence it is R. And range of f. Range of f equal to vertical length. So, what is the vertical length of a curve? Vertical length of a curve. The bottom is at 1 and the top is up to infinity. So, close interval 1 to infinity. Close interval 1 to infinity. Bottom is 1 and close interval, top is up to infinity. So, range of f equal to infinity. So, one of the very important question for examination point of view. Here very important, graph is the first step, and using graph find the domain and range. Okay. So, one of the very important for your board school exams. Now, at present we know how to draw the graph of step function. Thank you. So, another simple question, find the domain and range of the function. Find the domain and range of the function f of x equal to x minus 3 by 3 minus x. So, what is f of x equal to x minus 3 by 3 minus x. For domain, what is the condition? 3 minus x not equal to 0. 3 minus x not equal to 0. So, 3 not equal to x or x not equal to 3. So, what is the domain of f? A domain of f. A denominator cannot be 0. That is a condition for this. So, as usual here the formula is y equal to 1 by f of x. The condition is f of x not equal to 0. This is the formula. Formula for domain. Okay. So, domain equal to all real numbers other than 3. So, r minus singleton set 3. Now, here very important concept to find a range, to find domain of f, to find a range of f, to find range of f. So, how to find the range of f? Already we discussed in previous sum. Whenever if you are aiming to find the range, simplify the function if possible. Here we can simplify this function y equal to x minus 3 by 3 minus x. So, how to simplify this? X minus 3 by minus of x minus 3. Both gets cancelled. So, y equal to minus 1. Whatever the input, whatever the domain value, the output is always minus 1, and hence what is the range? So, range equal to range of f equal to singleton set minus 1. This is domain and range. Okay. So, domain and range of a function, but both are same expression in reverse order. Whenever it is of reverse order, the range is always a singleton set minus 1. Okay. So, this type of problem very important for 2 mark questions. Thank you.